We're very confident with the evidence that we have. We have been prepared with this since last year, and with a vote of confidence of 255 members of Congress and 257 members of Congress, and the evidence being very obvious and very clear, it speaks for itself. We have more evidence to support the same, and we have witnesses to present, and we are certain that once the evidence is presented in the Senate impeachment court, we can secure a conviction even for this article alone.
Okay, on unexplained wealth, no, nakita naman na po natin yung body of evidence during the course of the House Committee on Justice proceedings. We don't want to uh, discuss further yung po mga detalye as before because we are within the impeachment trial process already. But yung po mga dagdag na mga ebidensya which did not get disclosed during the course of the committee proceedings, we will seek to present it during trial. Kasama po dyan yung unsealing of the BIR box. Kasama din po dito yung pagbubukas ng pong bank accounts ng pong mag-asawang Duterte Carpio. So, given the entirety of the body of evidence that we had seen, tingin ko naman po, on unexplained wealth pa lang po, we can secure a conviction of the Vice President.
With respect to the articles regarding the bribery, ito naman po ay nakita na natin during the committee hearing of the good government during the 19th Congress. And ito rin po yung magiging presentation natin. But of course, since the impeachment court had already convened, we are barred from discussing about the merits. But rest assured, everything will be according to kung ano man yung plan tsaka legal strategies na amin pong gagawin. Maraming salamat po.
For confidential fund, we wish to express our confidence in proving this article, establishing the guilt of the respondent. We have seen the evidence already. As a matter of fact, as early as during the 19th Congress, during the inquiry in aid of legislation of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. You will recall the testimony that was presented by PSA about the fictitious names appearing in the documents evidencing payment. You will remember also the testimony of the NBI about the signatures, which appear to have been authored by only few number of persons. So we can also include the notices of disallowance recently issued by the COA, as well as the denial of the appeal of the respondent vice president, which means they are affirming the 73 million notice of disallowance for 2022. So like what Kong Joel Chua already mentioned and Kong Terry Ridon, we cannot discuss anymore on the merits because we have entered our appearance already as public prosecutors yesterday, and we are bound by the prohibition which is included in the Senate rules on impeachment. Nonetheless, we are reiterating our confidence in establishing and proving these 4 articles of impeachment.